Hello there, it's Aaron here, radiographer, sonographer, and today we are still in Tri-Scan Max real scan case. Today I'm going to show you the baby's gender. She just wants to know her baby's gender here. In some countries, they don't allow you to reveal the baby's gender, but in my country here, you are allowed to reveal to the mother the baby's gender. So let's get started. So everything is live and safe. As you can see here, the ultrasound machine is connected. So it's live. So let's get started. I'm gonna try to see what we have here. As usual, we're gonna be starting with the cervix to look for the presentation of the baby. This baby is lying cephalic. As you can see, the head is down here. So this is the baby's skull. That's the baby's skull. If we move along the spine, this is the baby's spine here. That's the baby's spine there you're seeing there. That's the baby's spine. So we follow it. We follow it up to the abdomen. Up to the abdomen. So this is the baby's abdomen here. That anechoic part is the baby's urinary bladder. So that will be our landmark. So we're gonna be looking for the baby's gender around there. Let me try to move to the left. Below it, that's the placenta. Let me try to see if we are able to as you can see, that's the baby, that's in between the baby's leg. We can see the baby's genitalia. You can see the 3 mark sign here. There it is. So it's confirmed a baby girl, although she has closed her legs. She doesn't want to open. Yeah. But I'm able to see the baby's genital there. So it's confirmed a baby girl. So that's it for today. See you in the next real scan case with Dr. SONO Tri-Scan Max.